February 1979, Pasadena, California. Lights burn throughout the night in the science offices, control centers, and computer areas of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Hundreds of scientists and engineers convene here, drawn worldwide from research centers and universities.
I want to go auto back here, put in one FRO, and go all the way through the time period with one start.
Makes sense.
By the end of the month, photographers, television crews, and other members of the press arrive.
You guys have any questions?
They are drawn to the laboratory by two Voyager spacecraft, electronic robots sent by NASA to explore the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn.
A little while ago, I heard the remark that images...
Voyager 1's exploration of Jupiter is continued in the summer of 1979 when Voyager 2 approaches Jupiter and its moons. And in 1980 and 1981, each spacecraft explores Saturn and its moons.
It's one of the most fantastic bodies in the solar system.
Their cameras transmit 60,000 photographs of these strange new worlds. Subtle details not visible in the photographs are computer-enhanced in the laboratory. Scientific data are received from a mix of instruments that probe the planets and the fleet of moons that escort them, sensing magnetic fields and measuring violent spheres of radiation.
Error, 0.75 hertz, DCO.
The teams of scientists meet daily to review this flood of data, to cope with the new and unexpected. And team members report their findings to the waiting reporters and through them to the world.
If this is a shear zone,
The reporter and scientist weld a close relationship in a mutual need to understand and communicate what the Voyagers discover.
rather than tilted the other way.
And the estimate is that the crater is 15 kilometers deep and the central peak is 15 kilometers high. Read it.
One tends not to believe the reality of what is there, says one scientist of the Voyager discoveries.
Al, I don't think I really understand how these three images are related to each other.
They're taken.
We've seen things that are different, says another, and things that are begging for answers we haven't got.
Yeah, but where is this edge on this view?
What else we got? Go. Oh, beautiful.
Isn't that nice?
Beautiful.
September 18th, 1977. Voyager is 7 million miles from Earth. Its cameras turn back to record the blue Earth and crescent moon together in a haunting photograph of our home in the solar system. 14 months later, Voyager 1's cameras transmit the first photographs of Jupiter. February 5th, 1979. From a distance of more than 17 million miles, Jupiter and 3 of its moons are caught in a single frame. At 12 million miles, Jupiter's clouds of gases and ice particles are seen to swirl and twist in strange new patterns invisible from Earth. From a series of more than 4,000 photographs, a time-lapse movie is made that covers 10 Jovian days. The atmosphere is more complex than had been thought. The trajectories of Voyagers 1 and 2 enable the spacecraft to obtain photographs which provide different aspects of each of the 4 Galilean moons. Europa, the size of our moon, resembles a cracked billiard ball. But the complex markings are curiously flat, like stripes painted on the surface. Its icy crust is thought to float on an ocean melted by interior heat. Io is the most spectacular of the Jovian moons. Its vivid, mottled surface with oddly shaped blotches of color mystify the scientists. Surely the strangest object ever seen in our solar system. Ganymede is as large as the planet Mercury. Its dark, ancient terrain is spotted with white impact scars. Adjacent areas are cut by jumbled patterns of grooves and ridges. Callisto is the outermost of the 4 large moons. Every inch of its surface bears the scars of billions of years of cratering. During a routine study of optical navigation, an engineer sees what at first appears to be a crescent cloud. Scientists soon realize that it can only be a volcanic plume erupting from Io, a huge fountain of molten sulfur, gas, and bits of rock surging upward against the moon's weak gravity. A re-examination of Io photographs reveals other active volcanoes, the first seen beyond Earth.
Oh, it's cooking up. Oh, it's a lot of solar activity there. Oh boy, look at that. A lot of solar activity there. A lot of solar activity. Sun's really heating up on my toilet.